Today, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from your Coinbase app to an external wallet quickly and securely. Open the Coinbase app on your iPhone or Android. From the home screen, tap the Send Receive button at the top. Make sure you're on the Send tab. Now, choose Bitcoin from your asset list. Type in the amount you want to send. You can enter it in BTC or in your local currency, whichever is easier. Next, paste your external wallet address in the recipient field. This could be your hardware wallet, trust wallet, or any Bitcoin wallet you own. Always double check the address, even a single wrong character could send your Bitcoin to the wrong place permanently. Once the address is added, Coinbase will automatically detect if it's a valid Bitcoin wallet. You'll also see the network fee displayed. Review the total carefully. Now, tap Preview Send. Check all the details one last time: the wallet address, the amount, and the fee. If everything looks correct, tap Send Now. Depending on the Bitcoin network, the transfer might take few minutes to an hour. You can track the transaction in your Recent Activity tab inside Coinbase. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin will appear safely in your external wallet. And that's it, you've just sent Bitcoin from Coinbase to your own wallet, giving you full control over your crypto. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another crypto tutorial.